Identify the best piece of dialogue. Dialogue includes words that are spoken aloud. Quotation marks appear at the beginning and end of dialogue. Hint, look for the words said or that someone is saying something. Here's an example. Yesterday, I was playing in the woods and found some footprints. I wonder what animal made these, I asked aloud. I took a closer look. I'm pretty sure it's a large animal, I said. These examples are both dialogue because they are both spoken aloud and they are identified by quotation marks. In this skill, you will be identifying pieces of dialogue that show certain ideas or characters' feelings and emotions. So make sure, does the sentence use dialogue? Does the dialogue show the correct idea or emotion? And does the dialogue show the right emotion or idea for the correct character? Let's practice. You are writing a story about Sarah's visit to the zoo. Select the piece of dialogue that shows Sarah is amazed at the size of the polar bear. First, let's read the paragraph together. There he is, shouted Sarah. An enormous white bear stepped slowly into the water. Mama, look at his big paws, Sarah exclaimed. Now that we've read the paragraph, let's find the piece of dialogue that shows the idea that we are looking for, the size of the polar bear. And the correct character is Sarah. Pause the video if needed and choose your answer. Correct. Mama, look at his big paws, Sarah exclaimed. Big paws shows that she is talking about the size of the bear. The first piece of dialogue is just showing that Sarah sees the bear, so correct character but wrong idea. The second sentence is not dialogue. Notice that it does not have quotation marks. Now it's your turn to practice. You are writing a story about two ants. Look at all these crumbs, yelled Allie Ant. Which piece of dialogue should you add to explain how the ants worked as a team? And here are your answer choices. Pause the video and read the answer choices on your own. Now that you've read the answer choices, let's eliminate an answer choice we know does not work. We can eliminate A. Do you think you can carry all the crumbs by yourself? Asked Sammy Ant. Because it says yourself. That's the opposite of the idea of working as a team. Now, you choose the correct answer between B and C. Pause the video if needed. Correct. The answer is B. Let's pick up the crumbs and carry them together, said Sammy Ant. This is dialogue that shows that they are working as a team because it says carry them together. C is not correct because it is not showing working as a team.